Welcome to day number 5. 5 videos in a row. I was just getting set up. I was okay out here. But as you see, it's beginning to rain. I still got some of my stuff to pick back up. And here I am. I gotta work on my painting of the old farmer guy holding his chicken. But for right now, it's gonna be all inside. Things are just rough. Oh well. The rain's lightening up. Still hear thunder in the background, but we lost electric. I went and checked the neighbors, and it wasn't just us. So, hope they get figured out soon. I hope. It does get hot here in Texas. Can't run AC with no electric. But the rain might help. Oh well. Let's see what else can go good today. I'm gonna have to take a break from painting for a little bit. Then I gotta go back and work on the chicken. The rain has stopped for a minute, so I came outside, take a break, get my dog outside because he don't come out in the rain. My wife's still inside. She prefers to be in there, especially when it's raining. And he won't come outside when it's raining. So I'm taking a break, sitting outside before it rains again. It came in fast, rained hard, lost electric for a little bit, but everything's good, all is well. Keep watching videos of people say you gotta find your style. Find your style. I think your style finds you. Because most of my paintings have a little bit of cartoony look to them. no matter what I do, it looks a little cartoony. I guess that is my style. The style that found me. But back in my younger days, I did want to be a cartoonist. That didn't work out. But no matter how hard I try to make things look lifelike, they look like cartoons. But I like it. I guess that's style that it's on me. Oh well, what's the boy to do? Just keep painting away, doing what I like to do. that's the end of the old man and his chicken. I forgot to turn the camera on again once I was putting some of the highlights in at the very end. I don't think it's bad. Why don't you give me a comment? Let me know what you think about this thing. Done raining again. This is the end of day number 5. Hopefully I come up with a decent enough video so people will watch it. I got 9, and 7. Got 7 views in the last one. I'm surprised I got 7. I figured it'd be about 5. I'm still at 86 subscribers, so I need more subscribers. I need more viewing time. I need someone to watch. I don't know what to do. Why don't you tell me how to get this, how to do this right? Tell me what I'm doing wrong, besides painting. Because I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep going. These are more for my entertainment value anyway. But I would appreciate if you'd help an old guy out. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe, and share. Send me to somebody. Help an old guy out. So I won't have to do this every day. But I'm going to. This is day 5. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Might just be little ones due tomorrow, but hopefully I can be outside. Not raining now, but you never know. All right, you have a wonderful day. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.